Hi, my name is Brad Davis at Glennie Thomas Dodge Chrysler Jeep RAM, and today I'm going to show you a little bit on how to use the power third row seat in the Chrysler Pacifica. It's very user friendly and makes it very easy to use. You have your buttons right here that you can be able to use. You have your normal, you have your stow, your forward and your back, and you can also use the right button or the right seat or the left seat. So if I wanted to, I can hit the left and go into stow, and then it will stow here. So you just wait for it to go. What's also nice on these seats is it has these little latches right here for if you have any bags that you want to put in there. So if I wanted to do that, it can stow all the way into the ground right there. If I wanted to go to my right, I can recline it backwards like this. You can also do that inside here, so the children or people that are in the back seat, they can move it back as well, or I can move it forward, and I just hold it like this, and then it can be able to move the seat forward and be able to recline right there and stay folded, so you can be able to get more storage in here if you needed to. So again, very easy to use, very user friendly. Come in and see us at Glennie Thomas Dodge Chrysler Jeep RAM to show you a little bit more about it.